see. One sunny day they decided to race to see who would win, who'd take first place.